everyone, this is Nerdy Bird Kiwi. How have you been? I've been so busy enjoying making video that I'm only now saying hello after filming some Talmud stories. First, I need to make a correction. In my last video, I said I'm building the RG first Gundam titanium finish, but actually, it wasn't RG. It was ENG. And here's a quick update on my Gunpla progress. I finished the head and also the torso. Today, I will try building both arms. Since I'm still a beginner, please understand if I'm a bit slow. Now, while building, let's share today's Talmud story. The title is The Ugly Rabbi. The title sounds harsh, but the story is full of wisdom. Now the story begins. There once lived a very wise and smart rabbi in Israel, but he was not handsome. Even so, he could explain difficult ideas in a very simple way, and that's why many students love to learn from him. One day, the Roman empress invited him to talk. During their conversation, she said, "Teacher, your great wisdom is kept in such an unattractive vessel." The rabbi stayed calm and asked, "Your Majesty, in the royal palace, what do you use to store wine?" She answered, "We keep wine in wooden barrels." The rabbi said, "How can the emperor and empress drink wine from such cheap wooden barrels? Shouldn't you keep it in gold and silver vessels instead?" The empress agreed and ordered his servants to store all the wine in gold and silver vessels. But soon, all the wine went bad. The emperor scolded the empress, and angry, she called the rabbi again. "Why did you tell me to use gold and silver vessels, knowing the wine would spoil?" The rabbi replied, "I wanted to show you that sometimes the finest things must be kept in humble vessels." This story teaches us that the inside is more important than the outside. Even if someone does not look impressive on the surface, what really matters is the wisdom, virtue, and character within. The Bible gives a similar lesson. Proverbs chapter 31 verses 30 says, "Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised." In other words, beauty doesn't last, but a heart that is faithful and sincere is what truly matters. The rabbi's wisdom was precious, even if his looks were plain. Just as gold wine keeps its flavor in a simple wooden barrel, so too a person's true value is not in appearance, but in the wisdom and character inside. From my own experience, when someone is kind, skilled, or has a good heart, their face starts to look beautiful to me. But if someone looks handsome at first, yet speaks rudely or hurts others, their face suddenly looks unattractive. True beauty comes from within. That's today's lesson from the Talmud. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time.